company I was working for ended up going out of business. You know, a lot of financial issues, so ended up kind of taking this last winter off and just hanging out at home, and started with this new outfit, I think in maybe April, I think is when I started with them. And lucky for me, these guys don't do basements, so you shouldn't be seeing any basement videos. Be a little bit more interesting stuff. I was getting kind of tired of just putting up basement videos anyway. Right now we're doing working on the over excavation for the school. There was a school here already, and we tore it down, and now we are over excavating the main floor. We had already over excavated the footings earlier this week. We got them filled in already. I think we got about 2 feet to go left on this floor. Normally I wouldn't load like this. I'll show you once he's gone, but I'm kind of creating a bit of a bench to load off of as I go backwards, and every once in a while I got to kind of catch up and pull the bench back with me. That's the only reason I'm loading this way. Ideally he'd be facing the other direction, but then you'd have to back out and then get on the pad, and that just would be a pain. It's doable to do it this way. You just gotta keep them a little bit further ahead than you normally would, just so that you don't have to take a lot of effort to avoid the cab. Trucks that we got. Just clean up a little bit. He keeps trying to avoid getting closer to me, and I think it's because of that. Basically what I got going on, you can see he's out there dozing. That's the main piece of the building.
They're right here in front of me.
That's the main piece of the building pad right there where the dozer is. But it actually continues out that way.
I might be pretty close to the last one there, Chad.
10-4. It actually goes beyond where he's at with that dozer right now, a little ways. And it goes this way towards the trees more.
There you go.
And it comes this way quite a ways. And we didn't do the whole thing at once because that power line that you can see there, the power pole, the energy company has to come remove it and reroute their lines. I don't know if I'm sure they're going to put in underground lines for the school, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about now. I'm just kind of working myself backwards in this pile. I left a little bit of a windrow here. There's a lot of garbage in this. It's not good for a building pad, so I'm going to skip that, and we can load that on in later and put it in our garbage pile. We call it a garbage pile, but I mean, if we can, we burn it up in the green areas, you know, where there's just going to be grass and whatnot. We burn it up there, but if not, then we'll get rid of it. But it definitely wouldn't work for structural fill.
Yeah, that'll be the last one. Chavez, you want to go grab that roller? Okay. We need this one, okay.
So you want this load? Okay, guess we're putting that. Well, okay, maybe he doesn't want it. Really hoping the windshield's not too dirty to where you guys can't see very well. I cleaned it earlier, but it's blowing like 20, 25 mile an hour winds, I think. So, and this dirt is pretty dry. It's like borderline, not even usable without water in it, but it's working so far. So as you can imagine, the dust is a bit of an issue. It's pretty hard to keep it off the window, so I think today it's just going to have to be the way she goes.
Park it for now. Chavez, leave that load on it. No, I don't need it. Just leave it loaded. Go ahead and park it. If you want to get that roller, you start rolling over here. Okay. So, these dumping in here someplace or keep it? I'll keep it. Just leave it on the truck. Fine. On that roller, have you run that roller yet, Chavez?
I'll come back.
I used it before.
I'll come back in a minute when you're done talking.
Go ahead.
Well, the truck ended up breaking down. They're working on it right now. Something with that, the most forward rear axle. There's something that's, something broke on it where the rear axle kind of came loose and it was pivoting while they were running the truck, so I had to shut it down. I guess they had the part already at the shop because they knew it was going bad, so should be able to get it fixed pretty soon. We've got most of a lift on. Well, we got a couple lifts on since I was last on video, but this will be the last one we're putting on. I'm just going to put a loose lift on and see if we can keep it from freezing. Just waiting on a dump truck to come back so that I can load him up. He's taking it somewhere to backfill some curb and gutter, and then we'll be out of here. So I will see you guys in the next video. Wish I could have done a little bit more here, but we had a breakdown and didn't even really have time to turn the camera back on. I was just throwing dirt. So I guess we'll see you next time.